This is all women engineering college established in 1991. It is first of its kind, all women engineering college established in India. Since 91, more than 10,000 students they have graduated in this college, and we do offer engineering undergrad level, graduate level and PhD programs. Cummins College has subscribed its annual subscription through which we get access for all toolboxes. These access are available on machines which are there network in a campus of college, as well as the students they get their license copy on their computers so they can work from home. Not only the students, the faculty members for their research they use MATLAB because it's quite user friendly and they can do various experimentation using the MATLAB facility.
I am using MATLAB with the courses Modern Control Theory, Machine Vision for Automation and AI ML, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. With the help of this, students are performing the various practicals and they are learning the various algorithms of the machine learning. Further, they are using the same toolboxes for development of their mini project and final year project.
I teach digital signal processing to third year students. We use MATLAB for understanding the basic operations of signal processing like convolution, correlation. Using the signal processing toolboxes, student can develop various applications which are digital signal processing based.
I'm using MATLAB for my second year students, and they are using actually the control system toolbox from the MATLAB. The self-paced programs which are available in the MATLAB are helping my students to get acquainted with how the MATLAB can be used, and later on they are exploring the various toolboxes available in the MATLAB.
I am implementing a project by integrating machine vision and artificial intelligence using MATLAB. So I have done this project which will count the number of coins in the given image and will also provide the sum of the denomination in the given command prompt. So for implementing this project, I am using the machine vision and image processing libraries that are available, toolboxes available, and data analysis toolbox available in MATLAB.
Here I have used MATLAB to generate a project which is based on signal processing. Here I have taken a signal which has some noise in it. We can see as the output is shown here, and I have tried to smoothen the signal using a moving average filter.
I did one open-ended assignment where I used image processing and detected traffic density using MATLAB.
Before starting our actual lab, we completed some online courses of MATLAB like MATLAB on-ramp, Simulink on-ramp, control design on-ramp and circuit simulation on-ramp. Benefit of using these courses were we were able to complete these courses within our specified schedule, and there were no time limits, and also we get online certifications of these courses.
So after completing the on-ramp courses, we got a glimpse of the actual software, and that made us easy to use functions and create different algorithms as per the program requirement. So here is the program of transient response of the system for various values of zeta. Here I have created a transfer function of second order system by using TF function, and after changing the values of zeta, we get transient response of the different systems, and that I have shown on this graph.
My faculty and students are working on MATLAB for solving problems on static, dynamic, mechanical vibration control systems, and that's why it's unique for mechanical engineering.
In some cases, we get stuck and then we approach the MATLAB and Design Tech for the support. I'm very happy to share that the Design Tech and MATLAB, they provide their timely support. They do conduct workshops or sometimes one-on-one sessions which are very helpful to resolve our queries. Because of this, every year we see that the college subscribes the MATLAB toolboxes and the Design Tech that becomes the partner for this our collaboration. We are happy to share that the Cummins College is MATLAB Credential Institute, and in the journey of Cummins College and its repute for producing the graduates which are industry ready, I think there is a contribution coming from MATLAB and Design Tech also.